friends, it's Allie with Allie's Boutique. And now that we have found our perfect bunny for our faux chocolate bunny project, I have already primed him. He was one of those multicolor, like, not multicolor, but he was supposed to be like realistic, and he was not. And I have primed him. So I'm going to use him because he's got some good texture on him. Like, he looks like he was in a chocolate mold with the ridges, the little fur texture. So he's a good choice for a faux chocolate bunny. So I'm going to use Rethunk Junk. The next step, once you find the perfect bunny, you have to find the perfect paint color. So let's try this one called Semi Sweet, Semi Sweet chocolate chips. And let's see if this is the perfect color chocolate. If it's not, I have a few other paint color choices that we might try. But I have a good feeling about this one. So after you've primed your bunny, go ahead and put a couple good coats on him. Okay guys, this has got to be probably my most favorite Easter craft that I've done this season. I painted these sweet little bunnies to look like real chocolate bunnies. And when I say they look real, they do. It even is fooling my daughter. She like wanted to take a bite out of them. I also did this cute little egg. I used the Semi Sweet paint by Rethunk Junk, and now I'm going to style these because they are so cute, but I think they need just a little bit extra. So I got this cute little wreath that's got sweet little eggs on it that almost look like malted eggs. I've got some, what do you say, Excelsior in this big bag that I've had. And it just needed a good purpose, so I'm going to put it in there just like Easter egg grass or Easter basket grass. And it's kind of messy, guys, just like is it raffia? I don't need a lot of it. I just want a little, so it kind of has that Easter basket look. And then I'm going to tuck my little bunnies back in there. And I've got them styled on a glass cake plate, but you can use any kind of pedestal or basket, whatever you have, or if you have one of your grandmother's cake plates, that would be perfect. In fact, this was my stepmom's, so it's just a little sweet clear glass plate, and I put my little Excelsior grass on there and my little eggs around it, and it is probably, like I said, my most favorite project I've done this spring. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and happy crafting.